step we have to the 100% talent stage. This is, are you auditioning? This is her audition, all right? But she is a person who came out today and she wants to be a part of our collective, you know? So show her nothing but love. Make some noise for Akailia. Get your name right?
Why do you say you kiss the brown owl? Honestly, I'm about to be killed. I'm so tired. If I could just rest. I'm a seagull. That's not it. And would you look at that? He's here too. You see, it doesn't really matter to me now, does it? Because he didn't really believe in my dreams. And he'd laugh at my ambitions. Little by little, I stopped believing myself. And I lost hope. And then there was a constant train of love and jealousy and anxiety about my little one. Now you don't know what it feels like to be standing on stage and not knowing what to do with your legs and your hands. You don't know what it feels like when it's squeaking. You don't know what it feels like to be acting on stage.
Do you know what it feels like to be on stage with an audience staring you down and the words start to bubble in your throat but they just won't come up? Well, you don't unless you've been here. But we invite you on the stage of 100% Talent Jamaica. Now, what do you say? Do we have a red light or a green light for this performing artist? Green light. Green light. Any red? Green light. Welcome to the 100% family. So, see the producer about your contract.